Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament, Krishnanagar. This video is for you, Mr. Ganesh Kumar, Honorable, not so Honorable, Chief Election Commissioner of India. Last night, the 21st of November, 52-year-old Rinku Tarafdar, who was a resident of Krishnanagar and has worked as a part-time teacher at Chapra Vivekananda School, who was also a BLO, a booth-level official, as part of the SIR exercise, committed suicide. She is now dead. Her post-mortem is currently being done. She leaves behind a husband, a married daughter, and a son. Rinku has also left behind a suicide note. The suicide note is in Bengali, but I'm going to read certain parts from it. She says, "Ami বাঁচতে চাই, मैं बचना चाहती हूँ. I want to live. আমার সংসারে কোনো অভাব নেই. I have no problems in my family. मेरा संसार में कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. আমার এই পরিণতির জন্য নির্বাচন কমিশন দায়ী. मेरे ये अवस्था के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ चुनाव आयोग responsible है. Only and only the election commission is responsible for this situation. আমি কোনো রাজনৈতিক দল করি না. I don't belong to any political party. খুবই সাধারণ মানুষ. I'm a normal person. কিন্তু এই অমানসিক কাজের চাপে আমি বাঁচতে পারছি না. This inhuman work pressure, I can't take anymore. খুবই কম বেতনে আমার চাকরি, এই পরিশ্রমের তুলনা নেই. I work for very little money. This kind of physical and mental pressure is unimaginable for me. Offline 95% আমি কাজ করেছি, অনলাইনে করতে পারছি না. I've done 95% of my work offline, but I'm just not being able to do it online. And even though I've told my supervisor in the video, it isn't helping. I have my children and my husband. I have no complaints. I've left a list of where I've kept my things, but I should have left my job. I didn't leave it. Now I've been registered as a BLO. Now it's too late to leave it. But only and only this pressure is responsible for me taking this decision. I want to live. I was at the best phase of my life. This letter, Mr. Kumar, has been written blaming the Election Commission for her death. You, sir, are an aider and abettor to the suicide of Rinku Karmakar, who died an untimely death due to the chaos caused by you. In 2024, when your predecessor, Rajiv Kumar, when speaking on the 300 plus deaths due to the 7-phase elections held at the peak of summer between April and June, said that you had learnt a lesson and that you would not do it again. You have learnt no lesson. Even after forcing a 7-phase election in the depths of summer last year, you have again come and done this chaotic exercise where 18.5 lakh, 20 lakh voters in each Lok Sabha constituency in Bengal are having to be enumerated, digitized in a span of 30 days, even less. Is it humanly possible? Your children work as DMs. Why don't you ask them? Is it humanly possible to do? When we asked you to take our 17C forms and digitize them and make it available, you said it's a Herculean task. We can't do it. If you, the Election Commission, with your resources and your time and your money, cannot upload 17C forms and digitize them and make them available, you expect BLOs working full-time jobs to work another 8-hour, 10-hour, 12-hour shift after their shifts to do this job for you? For what? What's the tearing hurry? What's the tearing hurry? Why couldn't we have taken 6 months or 8 months to complete this exercise? Why? You're responsible for Rinku's death. And you know what I feel like doing now? Her post-mortem is going on. I feel like taking her after the post-mortem, putting her on a flight to Delhi, taking it outside the Nirvachan Commission office on Ashoka Road and sitting there so you can come down and see how much blood you have on your hands, Mr. Ganesh Kumar.